Hello everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate how to create vendor credit notes in ERP. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address. Like here I am entering the email address of an employee. In password you will going to enter the password. Click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to finance. Then click on documents, which is the menu of purchase. Now click on vendor bills. Here you will going to open that vendor bill which is in paid state. And I am entering the filter of the vendor bill which is in paid state. Now click on apply button. Here you can see that these two vendor bill are in paid state in ERP. Now click on the vendor bill for which you are asking for a credit note. As you will open the vendor bill, you can see here's the button for ask for credit note. Just click on the button. As soon as you will click on the button, form will open here. Here you can see that here there are 3 refunds method available in ERP. Here I am creating a draft credit note. If you want to create credit note, a new credit note, just check boxes. If you want to create a new credit note and create a new draft invoice, just click on it. Here I'm in reason, you will give the reason for this particular credit note. For example, I'm entering the reason is broken material is delivered. Now click on add credit note. As soon as you will click on add credit note, the credit note will be created in draft state. When you will click on vendor credit note, you will able to see this vendor credit note which I have made recently. There are one more method to create vendor credit notes in ERP from directly here. Just click on create button. Here you will select the project for which you are making this particular credit note. Here you will select the vendor for which you are making this particular credit note. Here you can add the purchase order if you want to link any purchase order for this particular credit note. Suppose here I am entering this purchase order. As soon as you will add this purchase order, you can see the product and the description automatically will come here with the price. Want to add any item, just click on add an item button and all the products will be visible here. You will choose according to your requirement. Now click on save button. In order to validate this particular vendor credit note, just click on validate. If you want to cancel it, just click on cancel button. You can see this vendor credit note is in draft state right now. Just click on validate button in order to validate this particular vendor credit note. As soon as you will click on validate button, this will be in paid state. This is how you will create the vendor credit notes in ERP.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.